Yan. So hello guys at welcome back sa ating YouTube and TikTok channel. So kung kayo ay nagbabalak mag-apply sa DepEd or magpa-promote kung kayo ay nasa DepEd na, so unang-una dapat alam mo to. Ito yung tinatawag na minimum qualification standards for teaching positions in DepEd. Ito yung base sa DepEd and DVM Joint Circular number 1 series of 2025 which was released on February 15, 2025. So, unahin natin itong Teacher 1 to Teacher 7 ng Senior High School Academic Tracks. So, academic po tayo kasi iba po yung sa TVL. So, unahin natin yung Teacher 1 to Teacher 7. So, tingnan nyo po dito kung saan po kayo qualified kasi pwede na po kayo mag-apply from Teacher 1 to Teacher 7 nang hindi siya ladderized. Basta kayo po ay qualified sa position, pwede nyo na po siyang applyan. So, unang-una sa Teacher 1, which is salary grade 11. So, dapat po meron kayong bachelor's degree ang inyong education. Sa trainings po, okay lang kahit wala pa. Sa experience po, okay lang din kahit wala pa. Pero sa eligibility po, dapat po tayo ay licensed, dapat po tayo ay may LET para po tayo ay qualified sa posisyon. Okay? Again, sa Teacher 1, education, bachelor's degree, eligibility ay LET. So kahit wala pang trainings at experience ay welcome po to apply. Pero sa Teacher 2, dapat po kayo ay bachelor's degree plus 6 units of masteral na. Na dapat po ito ay vertically aligned. Kung ano yung inyong baccalaureate, dapat ganun din po align po ang ating masters. Bachelor's degree plus 6 units of MA. And then sa trainings, dapat meron tayong 8 hours relevant trainings. And then, experience po at least 1 year teaching or industry experience. Ito yung pagkakaiba ng elementary, junior sa senior high school. Kasi ang sa senior high school, pwede po yung ating industry experience. So, 1 year teaching experience or industry experience. And then, ang eligibility po ay LET. Pagdating naman sa Teacher 3, dapat po bachelor's degree plus 12 units of masteral plus 16 hours of relevant trainings, and then experience, 2 years industry or teaching experience. Ang eligibility po dapat ay LET. And then sa Teacher 4, bachelor's degree plus 18 units of masteral, and then 16 hours of relevant trainings, and then 3 years teaching or industry experience, and then eligibility po ay LET. Pagdating naman sa Teacher 5, dapat bachelor's degree plus 24 units of masteral, and then sa trainings po, trainings ay dapat at least 24 hours, and then experience po 3 years industry or teaching experience, eligibility po ay LET. Pagdating naman sa Teacher 6, so dapat po bachelor's degree plus 30 units of masteral. And then trainings po ay 24 hours of relevant trainings. Experience po ay at least 4 years industry or teaching experience. And then eligibility po ay LET. And sa Teacher 7 po, dapat po ay bachelor's degree plus 36 units of masteral. And then trainings po at least 32 hours of relevant trainings. And then experience po ay 4 years or teaching or industry experience, and then eligibility po ay LET. Again, ito po yung minimum qualifications. Dapat po meron tayo nito bago tayo magpasa dun sa position na gusto nating applyan. Kapag wala po nito, disqualified po agad tayo. Pero pagdating naman po sa ranking, dapat po ay more than this yung meron tayo. Kung kayo ay graduate ng masteral, at nag-a-apply kayo ng Teacher 1 to Teacher 7, so advantage po yun. Kasi doon po makakakuha tayo ng points. So, dapat po sa trainings, more than dito sa mga oras na to. Experience po, at least more than 5 years. Eligibility yan. Dapat meron po tayo LET. Okay, so let's proceed po sa Master Teacher 1 to Master Teacher 5 position ng Senior High School Academic Tracks. So, dapat po sa Master Teacher 1, SG18, dapat po tayo ay Master's degree na. And then sa training po ay 24 hours relevant training plus 8 hours of instructional supervision or supervisory training. And then experience po ay at least 5 years teaching or industry experience, eligibility ay LET. Pagdating naman po sa Master Teacher 2, dapat po ay Master's degree plus 24 hours of relevant trainings and plus 8 hours of instructional supervision or supervisory trainings. Plus experience po ay 5 years teaching or industry experience plus 1 year instructional supervision or supervisory experience. Eligibility po ay LET. Pagdating naman sa Master Teacher 3, dapat ay master's degree na po tayo. And then trainings po ay 24 hours of relevant training plus 8 hours of instructional supervision. And then experience po ay 5 years teaching or industry experience plus 2 years instructional supervision na experience. Then eligibility po ay LET. Sa Master Teacher 5 naman po, dapat po tayo ay master's degree na. And then sa trainings, 24 hours of relevant trainings plus 16 hours of instructional supervision or supervisory na trainings. And then experience po ay 5 years plus 3 years instructional supervision. And then sa eligibility po ay LET. And then sa Master Teacher 5, ito po equivalent ng Principal 4, pinakamataas sa isang school na position. So magka-level na po ang Master Teacher 5 at ang Principal 4 kasi dati wala po nito. So dapat po ang education natin ay master's degree, and then ang trainings po ay 24 hours plus 16 hours instructional supervision, and then experience po ay 5 years teaching or industry experience plus 4 years instructional supervision na experience, and then eligibility po ay LET. Again, so lahat po ng ito ay minimum qualifications lamang sa posisyon na ina-applyan natin. So dapat po, kung kayo po ay mag-a-apply ng master's degree, dapat meron na po tayong units ng PhD o non-doctoral para po magkaroon tayo ng points sa education. Sa trainings naman po, dapat at least ay meron tayo nitong lahat ng to. And then more than that, para makakuha po tayo ng points sa training. Sa experience naman po ay at least 5 years and more para makakuha ng points. Sa eligibility po ay okay naman tayo kasi lahat tayo ay licensed na. So once again, so we have sample application files. So kindly fill up the link below or scan the QR code. Visit Mr. Secretariat YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos and tips about ranking. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Good luck, guys.